Kumama, welcome to my channel. This is Arasa Malik, and for this video, it's going to be the first in a series of language videos where I teach you the Balanta language, which is the language of my paternal ancestors. If you remember from my DNA video, when I took my African ancestry DNA test, on my father's side, I was from the Balanta people of Guinea-Bissau. And I actually plan on visiting them sometime in the near future, the same way I did for my maternal Temne people in Sierra Leone, like I did earlier this year. So in order to do that, I took it upon myself to start learning the language of my ancestors. And with that being said, I've learned a few things here and there, so I just plan on sharing that with y'all. So this video is going to be the first lesson which deals with greetings, basic greetings. So I guess the first one to start with is hello or hi. The basic way to greet somebody in the Balanta language is messeh. 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 Messeh is just regular hello, right? And that's if you're talking with somebody that's sitting down. One thing about the Balanta people is the language is based off of action or circumstance. And the best way I can put this is Balanta people greet you or talk to you depending on what you're doing physically. So if someone were to be sitting the same way I am, and you probably are, I would greet you by saying messeh. Now, you're probably wondering, what if the person isn't sitting down? How would you greet them? How would you say hello? Well, there's a way to say hello for people that are standing up too. And that would be hachete. Hachete is if you're saying hello to somebody that you see them and they're standing up, right? So, and all of, like I said before, the language is set up where all of the ways to say hello or greet somebody is based upon how they present themselves to you. So, with that being said, the two basic ways to say hello is whether somebody's standing up or sitting down. I don't know why, but it's just ingrained in the language. So just to reiterate, there's two ways to say hello in the Balanta language. The first way is messeh, if somebody's sitting, and the second way is hachete, if they're standing up, right? Alright, so now the next greeting is how are you? In order to say how are you in the Balanta language, like I said before, there's a proper way and a casual way. The proper way first is abala litima. Abala litima. Abala litima. That's how you say how are you? Abala litima. How are you? Or if you want to be casual, you can say abala for short, right? It means the same thing. People are going to know what you mean. It's just a casual and proper way to say that. So the response to somebody asking how are you, if you're fine, if you're good, just a general response to that would be inchule or inchole, right? Inchole means fine, good, right? It's like a one-word casual response. The proper way to respond to that would now be nkachole. 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 I'm fine. I am fine. I'm good. I'm cool. Nkachole. Nkachole is how you would respond to abala or abala litima. So finally, in order to ask the person how are they doing in response to them asking how you're doing, sort of like saying and yourself, you would say hudi mama. Hudi mama. Hudi mama pretty much means and you, and yourself. It's a question that you're going to say in response to someone asking, how are you? Abala litima. Ganchole. Hudi mama. So I just said, I'm fine. And yourself? So the asking person would then finally say, litima nkachole. Litima nkachole. I am fine. Messeh, hachete, abala litima. Nkachole. Udi mama. Liti man kanchole.